Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy, and I'm really glad that you are here. This week, we're going to learn how to sign Away in a Manger. I know I'm releasing this song right at Christmas, but then it'll be ready for all those teachers who really want to get practicing with their kids in October when I'm just not making Christmas tutorials yet. So we're going to be plenty early on this one. I'm going to do it in 4 parts. Today is going to be the shortest, just that original verse for the teachers that are just doing a really simple 1-verse edition of the song. And then tomorrow we'll learn verse 2 and 3, then a walkthrough, and then with the music. So we'll get started right away. Just a reminder that I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my sign. If you look below the video in the description, there's a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing. Okay, so starts away in a manger. So for that, away, okay, off in a corner, back over there, away in a manger. Okay, so you kind of have your fingers open like this, a manger. Okay, a manger. No crib for his bed. So when I normally sign no, I make an N and I go no, like this. But because this is primarily going to be used for younger children, we're going to simplify it a little bit and just make 2 O's and go nope, no, okay? No crib for a bed. We're going to say no place to sleep. So place, you want to make P's, which is like this, and then starting touching your middle fingers, bringing it in, showing a place. I know that's tricky for just little kids, so if you want just index fingers, maybe not middle fingers because they might be old enough in certain cases that, yeah. So that's a simplified version, but technically it should be P's and around. Place for his bed, okay? Place to sleep. Let's away in a manger, no crib for a bed. The little Lord Jesus, okay, so it's a baby, okay, so you're going to hold a baby, the little Lord Jesus. So for people that are regularly signing, Lord, L, making a sash, okay, making a sash. But if it's for really littles and you want to keep it simple, you want to go baby Jesus, okay, nail pierced hands. But for those who are just signing it regular, you go the little Lord Jesus, okay? Lays down his sweet head. So a nice simplified version for this, you're going to show a head in your hand, rocking it back and forth, okay? Lay down his sweet head. Okay? And even for those who are regularly signing, you can do that too. Lay down his sweet head. Let's try that from the top. Away in a manger, no crib for a bed, no place to sleep. The little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. Okay, and it rocks back and forth. The stars in the sky, or the stars in the bright sky, or the stars in heaven. It depends on what version you're going to do. But for first is stars. You're pointing to those stars. Okay, I'm keeping it little to stay on screen, but normally you want to show way high up in the sky, the stars in the bright sky. So if you're doing sky, you can just go like this, showing the sky. I'll go a little lower so you can see the sky. If you're doing heaven, you're rolling your hands, heaven. Okay, roll your hands, heaven. So the stars in the bright sky or the stars in the heaven look down where he lay. So we're talking about the stars looking down. So you want to start with your looking hands here and then look down. Okay? Look down where he lay, right? Show Jesus where he lay. The little Lord Jesus, the little Lord Jesus, asleep. So for this, asleep, right? Asleep, asleep on the hay. Hay is a cool sign. So for that, you're doing grass. So you kind of have your fingers bent like this. Put your chin in it. Okay. There's grass in the manger. Grass in the manger. Okay, let's try that a few times, okay? So away in a manger, no crib for a bed. The little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the bright sky in heaven looked down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. Okay, let's do it again. Away in a manger, no crib for a bed. The little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the bright sky looked down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. Okay, and again, if you're doing it with kids and you want it really simple, then just go asleep in the manger. Okay, you can skip out because that might be complicated and you may have some kids hitting themselves pretty hard in the chin. Okay, one more time, okay guys? Away in a manger, no crib for a bed. The little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the bright sky looked down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. That's everything you need for the first verse. So if you're doing a nice and simple version of the song, you're probably good to go. But if you're going to sign a little more, tomorrow we'll sign verse 2 and verse 3. Bye. I pray that the Lord bless you and keep you. I pray that his face would shine upon you and that he would be gracious to you. I pray a blessed day for you, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.